Top 10 Loudest Noises. Loud noises occur every day. Wincing at the annoyance of a dog bark or covering your ears as you pass a construction site is the standard way to guard against harsh sounds. The pain threshold for humans is 120 to 130 decibels. Any sound above 85 dB can cause hearing loss, which is related to the power of the sound and the length of exposure. Here are 10 sounds produced throughout history and how incredibly loud they are. Just remember, human speech is only registered at about 25 to 35 decibels. If you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button, like the video, and hit bell icon as well for timely updates and instant video notifications. Without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 10. Concert speakers. A 400,000 watt rock concert or a similar set of speakers mounted in a vehicle can reach ear-splitting decibel levels. Is it why most promoters recommend you wear ear protection to stave off the 135 to 145 decibel sound waves? Number 9. Howler monkeys. These monkeys are found swinging in the trees of the Central and South American rainforests. It's hard to believe that such small animals can make a sound that combines an air raid siren and a heavy metal guitar solo. Howler monkeys have a hyoid bone in their throats that has evolved into a sizable resonating chamber to amplify their roars. These roars have clocked in at 140 decibels at the source. Why do they howl like this? Only the males howl and use it to let other howlers know their location and to defend their territory, as well as possibly for mate guarding. According to the Guinness Book of World Records, their vocalizations can be heard by humans up to 3 miles away. Number 8. Gunfire. For anyone unfortunate enough to be standing near it, gunfire can be pretty damaging to the ears, registering at a quite loud 145 to 155 decibels. You should always wear ear protection when on a firing range. Number 7. Dragsters. Sitting next to a dragster as it fires up its engine and screams down the raceway can be more than just loud. It can damage your entire body at the 155 to 160 decibel range. Not only will it severely damage your hearing, but it also vibrates your vision and makes it temporarily difficult to swallow. That's why no one stands next to them. Number 6. Space Shuttle launch. When the rockets fire, it is wise and, in fact, fully enforced that you stand at least a half-mile away, lest you get inundated by 165 to 170 decibels of painful sound. Unlike many other loud noises, the shuttle rocket sound is constant as it creates the thrust necessary to lift it from the ground. Number 5. Blue whale. Blue whales mainly emit loud, highly structured, repetitive, low-frequency rumbling sounds that can travel for many miles underwater. These songs may communicate with other blue whales, especially to attract and find mates. The call of the blue whale reaches levels up to 188 decibels. This loud whistle can be heard for hundreds of miles underwater. The whale is the loudest and largest animal on Earth. Number 4. Krakatoa Volcano. The 1883 Krakatoa eruption ejected more than 25 cubic kilometers of rock, ash, and pumice. It generated the loudest sound historically reported at 180 decibels. The cataclysmic explosion was distinctly heard as far away as Perth in Australia. 1,930 miles, 3,110 km. And the island of Rodrigues near Mauritius, approximately 3,000 miles, 5,000 km. Number 3. 1 ton Tnt Bomb. Standing as close as 250 feet from the impact, the resulting explosion from a 1 ton bomb creates a decibel count of 210. Without sufficient hearing protection, not to mention a complete sound-resistant bunker surrounding you, you could die from the intense vibrations that would shake you apart. Unless, of course, you were under the bomb. Number 2. 5 Richter scale earthquake. A sufficient enough quake to rend the ground in twain and destroy buildings, whole rock. And human life reaches a decibel level of 235. Suppose you are caught in the epicenter and are unlucky enough not to be above the ground in a plane or helicopter. In that case, the intense noise and vibrations could kill you long before death from any falling object. Number 1. Tunguska Meteor. The Tunguska event was a massive explosion near the Podkamennaya. Under rock, Tunguska River in Krasnoyarsk Krai of Russia at 7:40 a.m. on June 30, 1908. The blast was most likely caused by the air burst of a large meteoroid or comet fragment at an altitude of 5 to 10 kilometers, 3 to 6 mi, above the Earth's surface. It was measured with the similar impact of a 1,000 megaton bomb with a decibel rating of 300 to 315. This explosion is often considered to be the loudest single event in history. Which scary sound makes you cringe? Let us know in the comments. Give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thanks for watching.